What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to export a video in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly, after you edited your video, what you want to do to export it is to go in top left corner, and here you have the option for quick export. You're going to click on it, then you're going to choose the rendering settings that you want to use. As you can see here, you have all the details about the rendering. You can change these details by cancel it, then you're going to go to top left corner and you're going to click on file, then you're going to go down till you see project settings. Here you can change all the settings for your project. You can change the video resolution, the format, frame rate, and anything about audio. After you made your changes, what you're going to do is to click on save. Then you're going to exit this tab. Then you are going to go again to quick export and you're going to choose the render settings that you want to use and you're going to click on export. Also you're going to click on save, and as simple as that, as you can see now, our video is exporting. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.